Did somebody tell you that having a weak core was the cause of your low back pain? Well, here's the truth. So you've probably heard your favorite social media or Instagram influencer talk about how a weak core might cause back pain or will lead to back pain. And then they proceed to try to sell you on their low back pain and core strengthening course that will get rid of your back pain forever. Well, here's why it's not true. In the research and in clinical practice, we see people every day with a weak core that actually don't have back pain. What we know correlates with back pain is when you do something that maybe your spine hasn't done or you do it too much. So let's use the framework of working out. If you're somebody who doesn't deadlift at all, you decided to go to the gym and start deadlifting a lot. That might cause you to have some low back pain. But that has nothing to do with a weak core. That has more to do with you introducing a new activity and your body not being prepared for it. Or maybe you moved the weight up too fast or you did too many reps too soon. So a gradual build-up into that activity, regardless of how weak or strong your core is, would actually bulletproof you from experiencing pain. Another great example of why having a weak core does not equal low back pain is because in the methods that we use to treat most types of low back pain, we don't even do core strengthening for it. I know it sounds crazy, but wouldn't you think if having a weak core was the cause of low back pain, then in order to get out of low back pain, we would use core strengthening for every single one of our patients? Guess what? It's just not the case. So what do we do instead? We have repeated movements, directional preference, all these other types of things, dry needling, some soft tissue work, different types of exercises and mobility work. We combine all of this, but it does not have to do with strengthening your core. Now, one thing I will say, there may be some merit in if you have a strong core, then maybe it has a small preventative effect on low back pain. So maybe it can prevent low back pain if you don't already have it. But if you already have back pain, strengthening your core 9 times out of 10 is actually not going to do anything for you. So you should find a professional who specializes in treating the spine, get an appointment, and then get out of pain fast, and then focus on your core strength.